Hi there, my name is Ashley, and in this video I will tell you answers to the question, which online business is best for beginners? So if you want to start your own online business, stay tuned because I am going to walk you through some online business ideas that you can do as a beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to walk away with some actionable steps to get your online business up and running. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos. Please give the video a like because that motivates me to make content for you. Thank you very much. Let's get right into it. If you're a beginner and getting started with building an online business, then a step-by-step online business tutorial is what you may need. In this video, I am going to tell you about some of the better proven and easy to start online business ideas that can help you earn money. Let me first start off by telling you why you should start an online business. Technology is often blamed for killing traditional businesses and jobs. However, at the same time, these new technologies are creating tons of new jobs and business opportunities ready to be taken by anyone. Starting an online business is easier than ever. You can do it from the comfort of your home with just a computer and an internet connection. There is no need to invest huge amounts of money to get started. I want to warn you up front. If someone tells you that you can invest a lot of money and take a shortcut to get rich quickly, then it's likely a scam. I suggest that you stay away from it. The ideas that I will be sharing with you in this video are about building legitimate online businesses. You will still have to put in the work to see the results that you want. Let me now tell you some of the proven and easy to start online business ideas that you can start doing to make money online with a small business. So, the first tip is to start a blog and make money from it. Blogs are one of the most successful ways to start an online business. There are many bloggers out there who are making six-figure incomes and they are not alone. There are also thousands of bloggers running very successful blogs as their full-time online business. It is very easy to start a blog and there are many ways to make money from it. One of the most popular ways to monetize your blog is by displaying ads using Google AdSense. While you can start a blog in less than 30 minutes, you will need to work on it to make it a success. My advice is that you will need to offer useful and helpful content that is entertaining, informative, and highly engaging. The content will need to help people with their pain points or solve a problem of some kind. You will need to post content on a regular and consistent basis to your target market or target audience for this to work well. I recommend to do some keyword research for your blog post content. This is so that you know what your target audience is searching for on Google. Once you know the words that people are entering into the search engines like Google, you can use these keywords to optimize your blog posts for SEO. This can help you get more traffic from search engines such as Google. Some website owners fall into the trap of assuming they already know what their audience are searching for. However, you don't need to make guesses when there are powerful tools that can help you make decisions based on real data. By doing keyword research as part of your WordPress SEO strategy, you can do a few things. Here is what keyword research can help you do. It can find the words and phrases that your audience are actually entering into the search engines. It can help to increase the traffic you get from search engines like Google and Bing. It can also help you find content ideas that are easy to rank for and have decent search volume. Plus, you can also find out what your competitors are doing and create the content in a better way. The good news is there are tons of blog post ideas that you can use to create content consistently. As your blog grows, you will be able to monetize it using other strategies as well. You can also use it as a platform to launch other online businesses. Once you start to drive traffic to your blog, you'll see that it's one of the easiest businesses to start. Here is the next tip. Become an affiliate marketer for a business or a brand. Affiliate marketers make sales commissions by recommending other people's products or services. It's one of the best online businesses to start and make money online. Most affiliate marketers recommend these products and services by running their own blogs, websites, and email lists. If you do affiliate marketing, my advice is to learn different online marketing strategies like SEO, email marketing, social media marketing, and content marketing to build an audience. There are lots of affiliate programs that you can sign up for and start recommending products. If you're looking to promote products or services, there are a few affiliate programs you can consider. When choosing an affiliate program, you'll want to keep in mind the avenues or platforms where your audience spends the majority of their time. For instance, does your buyer persona typically read blog posts, scroll Facebook, or use search engines when researching new products? Alternatively, is your buyer persona someone who's always looking for a good deal and would appreciate a link on a coupon site? Or are they more interested in doing tons of research before purchasing, making your promotion efforts more worthwhile on a review site? While those are questions you'll have to consider for yourself, let's take a look at some general types of affiliate programs so you can begin brainstorming potential avenues for your own marketing efforts. The first is search affiliates. With this program, marketers pay their own money to promote affiliate offers on search results or other online advertising platforms like Facebook advertising. This is a great option for marketers with an SEO background and want to A/B split test to see which ads result in the most referrals and ROI. And if at any point you want access to further training resources to help you start an online business, you can click the link under the video now and head straight through to my partner website, internetbusinessschool.co.uk. The next one is influencer programs. If you're a blogger or social media influencer who engages with a specific audience, my advice is to consider partnering with a business whose products would appeal to them. For instance, if you're a food blogger or YouTube influencer who creates recipe content, consider partnering with a company that sells kitchen appliances by featuring their product in your content in exchange for commission for every product sold via your affiliate link. Ideally, this would result in additional revenue if your audience likes the products that you're promoting. The next one is review sites. Blind buying products online can be daunting for consumers, which is why they often turn to review sites during the buyer's journey so they can conduct research before purchasing. Review sites partner with individual companies or affiliate networks to review products and services in exchange for an affiliate link. Next, we have coupon sites. Similar to review sites, coupon sites partner with companies to provide buyers with discounts on products and services in exchange for a kickback. The next one is email marketing. This is best in small doses. You don't want to send out bulk emails to an audience who isn't interested in promoted products or services. However, with proper consideration for who's receiving the email, this could be an effective method. Let me give you an example. If you work for a marketing agency, you could partner with a company that sells design tools and include an affiliate link within emails you send to design clients. This could help your clients create higher quality content while providing an added source of income. On the other hand, you can even build an Amazon affiliates store using WordPress. Simply list products from Amazon on your website and earn a commission when someone clicks the link and completes a purchase. Here is my next tip. Create and sell online courses. If you are quite skilled or have expertise at something, then why not teach others and make a career out of it? Selling online courses is another popular way to start an online business. A lot of people like to quickly acquire skills and knowledge by joining online courses. Creating an online course has become a lot easier with the help of LMS software. These platforms allow you to create interactive courses with easy to manage tools for classes, students, course material, and more. The best part is that you don't have to write a single line of code to build a course website. Here is my next tip. Build an e-commerce webshop. Selling things online has never been easier. Anyone can easily create an online store in minutes and start selling products. These products can be physical goods, things that need shipping, or digital downloads like ebooks, music, software, and more. Before getting started, you need to do your research. I will now give you some tips to help you brainstorm ideas. I suggest to find a niche with high demand and low competition. I recommend to think of ways to make your e-commerce site stand out by doing things other e-commerce businesses are not doing. I want you to think of the costs involved in getting products from the manufacturer to customers. My advice is to choose a pricing model so that your products can compete and offer great value to your customers. Here is another tip. I suggest that you make sure your profit margins must be reasonable enough to ensure that your business can sustain and grow in the long run. So, of all the things that I have covered in this tutorial will help you start an online business, even if you are a beginner. If you enjoyed this video and feel it was valuable, please share it with your friends. Or for more resources on professional internet marketing development and training, visit my partner website at internetbusinessschool.co.uk, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. The link is in the description below, so check it out now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.